Hi, welcome to our channel. There's not going to be any bunk, no time wasting, no clickbait. Check it out. Let us know what you think. I know that they hide down on these rocks. It's perfect. See, it's quiet, except for this one bird. It's like it's giving away our location. This bird followed us last time. Maybe it's our mom. I don't know. Something landed by me. It sounded like I dropped something, but I didn't drop anything. Did you guys hear that? I can't wait to review it. I'll find out on the footage. I thought I dropped something. What is that? I'm out of breath. But I walk's really freaking fast. That's why my foot is just shaky because I'm walking too fast. I want to slow down. Oh, it's just a shadow. Just a shadow. Look at that little nifty mouse. Okay. I attempted to do noise reduction with this, but it canceled out all the sounds we want to hear. I'm going to upload the entire video that I got this clip out of. If there's anything we didn't notice or anything you'd like to share, please comment below. Thanks so much for watching. We do have other videos also. Check them out.